Born out of the company's dedication to excellent customer service, iWaste, Waste Harmonics' proprietary patent-pending dumpster monitoring technology, was developed to fill a deficit in the customer experience. Typical commercial waste and recycling removal works like this. A contract is signed with a hauler to service dumpsters on a fixed schedule. Regardless of how much waste may be in those receptacles, the hauler comes to empty them. Or do they? It can be difficult to keep your hauler accountable. Waste Harmonics recognized these problems and created iWaste to not only improve the customer experience, but to discover ways to save our customers money. iWaste contains a suite of products built to continuously monitor dumpsters and feeds real-time transparent data to the customer. Boasting plug-and-play setup, capital costs, installation and monthly monitoring included with your service agreement, and no additional out-of-pocket costs for the customer, we can have you on the road to cutting expense and frustration immediately. iWaste keeps a watchful eye on your dumpster, alerting the dedicated Waste Harmonics team with email notifications regarding fullness status and service verification. This monitoring enables Waste Harmonics to always have a pulse on what's happening with our customers' equipment, as well as the ability to provide cost improvement strategies over time through right-sizing. Improve your company's waste and recycling program today with Waste Harmonics and iWaste.